I don't think cleaning the pool has ever been so easy. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of the AIPER pool cleaner. This thing is amazing and our pool needs to be cleaned, so we are gonna get ready to toss this thing into the pool. So you guys saw the dogs were just in the pool. Our friends at AIPER sent us a new pool cleaning robot. This thing is phenomenal. Look at the tracks on this. So cool. This is huge compared to the previous model. This is the Scuba S1 Pro, in case you're wondering, and I'm going to show you real quick here. It's got this really nice handle on the front of it. This is also what you use to hook it and get it out of the water. All of the settings are right here on the top, and I'm going to quickly go over them with you guys so you know what they each do. So when you turn this on, these will light up. The top feature is the auto mode. That's gonna go through the pool, it's gonna do the bottom, it's gonna do the walls, it's gonna automatically do everything that it needs to do. Then the next one on here is the floor mode. Now that is gonna go just back and forth across the floor only and not come up the walls. Then there's the waterline mode. That one's gonna do all the way along the walls up to the waterline of your pool. And then this is the eco mode. So when this is fully charged, it will run for 45 minutes once every 48 hours, which is kind of cool. So you can just leave it in there and it'll do its thing until it needs to be charged again. Well, we're gonna go ahead and drop it in the pool and see what it does. This thing looks massive. This is what cleans the bottom of the pool. These are all your guides so it knows where it's going. It also has a filter. Let me show you that real quick. So this part opens right up, and then this, of course, it's nice and clean now because it hasn't been in the pool yet. That's where all the dirt and stuff from inside of your pool goes. Super easy to take out of there. That's pretty nice.
Hold.
Hit and hold the button, and it lights up.
And I guess we'll just go.
That's on. Yep, that's auto mode. So go ahead and now you can lower it in with the hook, or you can just set it down in like this, and it's gonna go do its thing as it slowly sinks to the bottom. Pretty much once it realizes it's in the water, it's gonna do its thing. There it goes. It's like, oh yeah, we gotta go down. And down it goes. And he's off. Dun, 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 dun. Are you gonna climb the wall right now? Oh, he sure is. Oh, look at that. Well, there's a good example of how he does that. You can see, climbs right up the wall, gets all that stuff right off of there.
And this one does have scrub brushes on both front and back.
Yes, it has a scrub brush on the front and the back. It's got these huge wheels on the side of it, which I think is going to help it pretty much go everywhere in the pool. And the best part about it, it's the easiest pool cleaning job you'll ever do in your life. Pretty much drop it in and walk away. That's the best part about it. Here he goes. And we're off. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna need to name it. Well, look at you got the blue hook on there. It comes with a blue hook, which is actually bigger than our other hook. That's kind of perfect. So we're pretty sure the machine is dead. It's got the red light on it. Well, hello, pool robot friend. Yeah, that bigger hook makes it nice to get this one out. You gotta let all that water drain out of it. It'll be even heavier. All right, let's see how much dirt it got today. Now, before we even look, we do clean this pool like every day with pool robots, so it's not gonna be that dirty.
It's probably pretty.
The thing out. Oh yeah, there's some sand in there. Pop the top open, you can see the sand in it. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sand and bugs.
Bugs.
Gee, I don't know why there's sand in the pool.
Right.
Huh, pretty cool. So now Jamie will take that, he'll go rinse it out with the hose, and it'll go right back in there. There's also this filter here that you can replace as well. And I think you can rinse this one too. So this can be rinsed. It can also be, oh yeah, there's sand in there too. Yeah, here you go. I'll give you that too.
Okay.
Pretty cool. So thank you once again to our amazing friends at AIPER for sending us this pool robot. It will get used daily at this house. Definitely daily. If you guys want to get your own, there will be some links down in the video description below. So in conclusion, for a very non-technical review, it works. It works great. This is not the first AIPER robot we've had. We've had multiple versions. This is the newest version, and holy cow, I love it. The one thing we did notice is if you can see down there in the pool, there's some little caps. Our other one would get caught on those because they're kind of raised. This one takes those without any issue, goes right over them. So that's a win. Clean the pool, doing its thing. It's a win in our book. If you are looking for a pool cleaning robot for your pool, we recommend this.